Hello, today I am going to show you how to use New Play Exchange, which is a digital library of scripts by living writers. To get to New Play Exchange, go to the library's website, library.colum.edu, and click on the tab that says Research. Scroll down to where it says Databases and click Browse Databases A to Z. Then click on N, and New Play Exchange will be the first database. Now we are at New Play Exchange. There are a few things I want to point out on the home page before we perform a search. As you can see, the homepage of New Play Exchange features current events and plays, as well as featured writers and plays. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see the New Play Exchange Index, which identifies and groups scripts on important current topics and events for easy access. Now, let's perform a search. You can search by plays, people, or organizations. If you know the name of the play you are looking for, you can type it in the search bar. Once you find the play you are looking for, click on the name, and it will take you to a page that has some basic information about the play. From here, you can also download and inquire about the rights to this play. Another New Play Exchange search feature is the filters. You can filter by many different aspects of the play, such as the length, age appropriateness, genre, and specific subject matter. You can also filter by cast size and identities of actors that you have already cast. You can also filter by narrative attributes. And you can filter by identities of characters. Further, you can filter your results by the identity of the playwright. These filters are a great way to find plays that meet your specific criteria.